Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya.
Thank you. Jai Guruji, Sangat ji. Shukrana, Shukrana, Anantam Shukrana Guruji for this blessing. Like Manish Uncle said, I'm not prepared. I didn't know I'm going to share my satsang today until he came and whispered in my ear. But maybe Guruji ki koi blessing hai, so I'll take that. हमारी औकात ही नहीं है गुरुजी के बारे में हम क्या कहें, हम बहुत छोटे हैं. So Guruji, hopefully I'll not let you down. So I'm going to start with how my journey with Guruji started. My journey started in September of 2021. My very dear friend Sonal, she's not here today, she brought me to this darbar. So before that, actually, I had obviously, heard about Guruji. In fact, one of my husband's chachi, cousin, she was a big follower of Guruji. And, un dino, ye kafi purani baat hai, maybe 2011-12. She would post on Facebook relentlessly, Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, to a point where I still remember I said to my husband, your chachi has gone nuts over some Guruji. And I mean, us samay Guruji must have smirked and said, ruk ja tu thode saal aur. Fast forward, 10 years later, I make a random trip to India after I got connected to Guruji. Solo trip, which I never do. I go to her house and she puts me on the spot to share my satsang. Mujhe Jai Guruji bhi bolna nahi aata tha theek se, but jo bhi, I managed. So anyway, that was one, I don't know, not a coincidence for sure. But I have always been a very religious person. बहुत कुछ शिव जी की बहुत बड़ी भक्त हूँ मैं. काफ़ी जाप हुए हैं घर में. But हमेशा एक लगता था जैसे there's something missing. But I didn't know. I couldn't put my finger on what is that thing that is missing. So एक time आया in 2020 जिससे भी मिलती थी, they would say, you must go to Guruji. You must go to Guruji. So we all have a mindset. I did too, a lot of resistance, and I said, no, I'm fine. I don't want to go to any guru. But as if the universe kept persisting, right? Maybe my calling had come. And then one day, Sonal, my friend, she's a very close friend, she said, Richa, you must come to Guruji's darbar. And I couldn't say no to her. That's the reason I came here. Because she said, I'll pick you up. Now, ab main kya bolu? Samne se koi keh raha hai ki, I'll pick you up and take you to the ashram. So that's how I came here, and obviously the most divine, soulful, but I came with a very open mind. I'll tell you that, being candid here, that I didn't come, shuru mein tha resistance, but when I came here, I came with an open mind. And it was the most divine, most soulful, most beautiful experience. Wo din hai, aaj ka din hai, there's absolutely no looking back. So Shukrana Guruji for holding our hand. Kuch अच्छे कर्म रहे होंगे कि आपने हमारा हाथ थामा. So I was thinking, मैं क्या share करूँ, I just thought a few things. I said, some satsangs on a lighter note. So I get a lot of my messages, like many of us, from Guruji with number 7. Now, how that silsila started is, when you're driving to work, I have a long drive, 45-50 minutes. So, ज़्यादातर आप शब्द सुनते हो. And कभी मुझे लगता था कि गुरुजी से बातें करते हो, as your connection grows, you realize all these are evolutions, you transform. So मुझे लगता था कि कभी कुछ गुरुजी से कुछ सवाल पूछूं या बातें करूं, तो मुझे बहुत बार number 7, कभी गाड़ी का नंबर, कभी किसी घर का नंबर नज़र पड़ती थी. और so initially ये चलता रहा थोड़े दिन तक, मैंने किसी को बताया नहीं. So one day we were coming to the ashram, my husband and I, and I mustered courage and I said, मुझे ना लगता है कि मैं जब ऐसा कुछ सोचती हूँ, गुरुजी से कुछ सवाल करती हूँ, तो मुझे ना number 7 काफ़ी दिखता है. तो obviously he was like, there she goes again. So I was talking to him and then बात करते करते I saw 2 cars in front and I said, ये देखो दोनों गाड़ियों का number 7 है. He says, हाँ आगे की 3 गाड़ियाँ भी 7 है. So I said, see? So I said, I don't know what it means. Maybe Guruji is saying, हमें पता है गुरुजी अंग संग रहते हैं. Maybe it means सदगुरु प्यारा मेरे नाल है, which is one of my favorite शब्द. खत्म हो गई ये बात. So अगले दिन I was driving back from work. Again कुछ ये सिलसिला चल रहा था. I saw number 7. And we humans, silly that we are, always testing Guruji. I my playlist was playing and the next Shabad was Sadguru Pyara Mere Naal Hai. So I said to Guruji in my thoughts, Guruji, if that is what it means, then once that jab wo Shabad chalega na, I should see something. And mostly double sevens mein mujhe milte hain. I wanted to add that. So if I see number 7 after that Shabad plays, that means Sadguru Pyara Mere Naal Hai. So as the Shabad starts, you'll not believe the first card that crossed me was G77. Okay, Shukrana Guruji. And then I was like, oh wow, G77, you know, all 3. Then the next traffic light I go to, there are 2 cars in front of me, 25, 25. Then I stop at Star Bazaar because I cross Eastern Avenue. I stop at Star Bazaar, I do my grocery, come back on the road. On the traffic light, the first 2 cars I see is 34, 34. So Shukrana Guruji. And uske baad to bahut baar, ek baar to literally I was driving and I was thinking kuch acha hua tha mere saath. So I was thinking and saying, Guruji, thank you so much, aap hamesha saath rehte ho. And samne gaadi ka number tha SDA 77, Sada 77. So I know, so these are all on a lighter note. You know how Guruji, we always put Guruji to test. He never lets us down on the silliest thing और वो कैसे हमारे अंग संग रहते हैं. So, you know, moving forward with that, a recent satsang. So this year in February, we have this brilliant idea of going for the Kumbh Mela. Very, you know, ekdam sudden plan bana. And my husband came and he said, let's do this. First I was reluctant, then I said, okay, chalo karte hain. So we decide to go, and then, you know, we start coordinating with everybody in India, family. So we are all like 9-10 of us who decide, then everybody wants to go. You know how it is that that syndrome starts to kick in. So we are family, ye bhi aa rahe, wo bhi aa rahe, hum 10 log ho gaye. And then as the days coming closer, hamare tickets vagara, everything is booked. We have planned to go to Varanasi, Ayodhya, Prayagraj, sab ye sara kuch ho gaya tha. And then wahan pe, you know, news, every day there were different kind of news, kabhi stampede, kabhi kuch. So wo hum jo 9-10 log the, dheere dheere everybody started to drop out, right? Ki, you know, parents, obviously they are older, so they won't be able to walk. Karte karte we were down to 4 people. So mujhe bhi thoda lagne laga ki, oh my God, we are going all the way. Wahan ke local log are backing out. So I hope it's okay to go. Guruji, I hope it's okay to go. Again, I'm driving back from work. First car I see is G43. So I said, Guruji, okay, I think that's like a good sign. Next car, another car, G43. I said, okay, Guruji, that's double reinforcement. So I think it's good. The next car is the most bizarre number plate I've ever seen. 4 team, and we are 4 of us who are going for the Kumbh. So that's the number of the car. So I said, Guruji, theek hai. I think it's good. I think this will be a good trip. It's fine. I know, kal Guruji ne ek car dikhaya, ATM7. I don't know what that means. I hope something good. So anyway, we land in Delhi. And 5-day trip hai. Touchdown in Delhi at 10:42 with suns up to 7. So I tell my husband, look at the time, 10:42. This can't be a coincidence. And touchdown at 10:42. Then I said, this is going to be a good trip. Acha hoga, I'm very positive. Guruji messages de rahe hain aur Guruji saath hain hamare. Then our first trip from Delhi to Delhi is to Varanasi. So Kashi mein jaise our flight is supposed to reach at 6:30 p.m. It gets delayed. Touchdown in Kashi is 7:07. Okay, 7:07 p.m. we land in Kashi. So again, I'm showing him the time. Look here, all good, all good. फिर हम काशी विश्वनाथ मंदिर जाते हैं for the midnight aarti. Right? It's very late in the night, and you see millions and millions of people in the line. Right? It's almost scary. But thankfully, you know, हम लोग बाज नहीं आएंगे, connection लगा के, you know, अंदर घुस गए. And we were waiting inside the sanctum कि अभी midnight आरती शुरू होगी, and so many people. We are waiting, जो भी चल रहा है. Suddenly I see this man in front of me, older gentleman, wearing a jersey. India में, you know, वो sports jersey जो India में आप इतने देखते नहीं हो. He's standing in front of me with a number 7 on his jersey. I tell my husband, ये देखो गुरुजी हमारे साथ हैं. You know, it was like, what are the chances, right? कि in the middle of the in Kashi Vishwanath, जहाँ इतने सारे लोग हैं, this one random guy stands in front of me. So उसके बाद सब कुछ हो गया, and then suddenly one man comes to me, and I mean I haven't seen his face, I just saw his back. Comes to me and says, आपने आरती लिया? I said हाँ जी ले लिया. आपने प्रसाद लिया? I said हाँ ले लिया. He said, आपको और कुछ चाहिए? I said, नहीं, I'm good. He turned, मैंने कहा ये तो मेरे गुरुजी वाले नंबर जा रहे हैं. So anyway, that was just, I just thought Guruji पूरे trip में he was unsung with us. We also did Empire State, and actually there's a small satsang I'll share with that as well. So we had very few hours in Delhi, and I obviously wanted to go to Empire State, and literally I think we had 6-7 hours of a Saturday in Delhi. My husband is a golfer, and I got connected to Guruji through his golf. So मैं जहाँ wherever it's related to golf, I can't say much because he tells me Jai Guruji, then I have to shut up. So he had plans to play golf, and I wanted to go to Empire State. So I was trying to tell him, Ki, can you just for 6 hours you are in Delhi and you want to play golf, you should come to Empire State. And you can't push them so much. So he's like, okay, stop. I have to play in this golf course and I have been to Empire State. Don't pressurize me too much. तो मैं पूरा टाइम गुरुजी आपका सेवादार है, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है कि come all the way to Delhi and he's not coming with me to Empire State. So anyway, we made our plans कि I'll go to Empire State at 9 a.m. He'll finish his golf, we'll meet and then he'll head for the airport. So ये सब चल रहा था, and in मन ही मन मैं pray कर रही हूँ, I'm sure his friend is going to call up and bail out. Something is going to happen. इतना confidence था गुरुजी पे. So suddenly or something, his friend will be sick or कुछ ऐसी उटपटांग ख्याल आया था कि somehow I am sure he'll go. So the night, रात में late night, he tells me, okay, I'm going to finish up at 11, then we'll meet for lunch. So I said, you're finishing at 11, but you said you're finishing late. He said, नहीं वो friend का phone आया, खाली 9 holes ही खेलेंगे, 18 नहीं खेल सकते. I said, अच्छा, then why am I going at 9? Let's go at 11 o'clock after you're done with your golfing. So then, Sangatji, we both go to Empire State. He plays his golf as well. वो भी उसको compromise नहीं करना पड़ा. And एक और that doesn't end there. So हम दोनों का एक favorite शब्द है. You all know the शब्द. जो मांगे ठाकुर अपने ते सोए सोई देवे. So how it started was one Monday morning, we both were coming to the ashram, and my husband, who never listens to shabad, maybe chori chori sunta. I don't think he doesn't acknowledge to me. So he told me, अरे मैंने आज बहुत अच्छा एक शब्द सुना. I said, oh, तुम कब से सुनने लगे शब्द? कहते नहीं वो ऐसे चल रहा था. I said, कौन सा शब्द सुना? So he played this, जो मांगे ठाकुर अपने थे. I said, oh, this is my favorite शब्द as well. I said, yeah, it is very nice. So we came on that Monday, and the first शब्द that played was जो मांगे ठाकुर अपने थे सोई सोई देवे. So it was very nice. Then we went to Golden Temple in October last year, and we were there for 45 minutes on the Golden Temple premise. In that 45 minutes, the same Shabad played, again, no coincidences. Jo mange Thakur apne the. So we are coming back to Empire State with this whole golf and everything. We went there at finally 1 in the afternoon. We walk in, and we were there for about 45 minutes again. Agam Agochar chal raha tha, wo finish hua, and the next Shabad that plays is जो मांगे ठाकुर अपने ते सोई सोई देवे, the longer version. It's the 30-minute version. So we finished that whole shabad. And then, so शुक्राना गुरुजी, आप हमेशा अंग-संग रहते हैं, हम doubt करते हैं. Thank you for reassuring us always. I'll share one last thing. This I just actually learned in India. So one of my, कहते हैं ना, अब आप उस रास्ते से गुजरो जहाँ गुरुजी का नाम का जिक्र हो, उसमें भी आप तर जाते हो. And this is a prime example. So one of my husband's cousin, he's very connected to Guruji, which I didn't know. And he's not the type. Dur tak, matlab spirituality, mandir, and he are like North Pole and South Pole. So मुझे बहुत shock हुआ कि, oh wow, he is connected to Guruji. Wow. So I really wanted to know from him, how did you get connected to Guruji? So he said to me, Richa, a cousin of mine had come to Delhi, and they were doing a satsang in their house, and he was shopping for the satsang. So I asked him what all does he need, and he said ये चाहिए वो चाहिए, and then he said मुझे कुलचा भी चाहिए दिल्ली से for the satsang. He said पता नहीं मेरे मुंह से निकला कि ठीक है कुलचा मेरे तरफ से. He said मैंने सिर्फ उतना कहा, and he was going through a lot of financial issues and stuff like that. He said literally next day से everything started to fall in place for me. So शुक्राना, this is our Guruji, and कहते हैं मेहनत सब करते हैं, लेकिन जब रहमत होती है, only then things start to fall in place. So Anantam Shukrana Guruji, besides all the miracles you do for us, I think a big learning is from Guruji is, Shukrana, being humble. I mean, I think I used to use the word thank you because I was taught to say thank you from a kid, ki koi kuch de to thank you bolo. So, robotically we would say, but now I understand the true essence of thank you for teaching us, all good lessons in life. And again, मेरा एक favorite line है from a शब्द, कुर्बान जाई उस वेला सुहाई जिदे तुमरे द्वारे आया. So thank you Guruji, thank you very very much. कोई भूल चूक हो गई हो तो माफ. Thank you Sangat ji for listening to me.